This is Show and Tell. My name's Michelle Diavella, and I am reading an untitled poem I wrote several months ago. My eyes, my energy, my body, my smile. I am always communicating without having to use my words. I shouldn't have to always use my words. Read me. I am not dancing on the dance floor for your pleasure. I am not here for you to hit on, to pick up, or to take home. I don't exist for you. I didn't invite you to take my hand and pull me toward you. My eyes would have done that. My smile would have done that. I do mind your interruptions, and I'm glad I used my voice to tell you so. I can read you without you saying a word, but you keep pushing to get your way, because you have been taught that you can take without asking. And that no only means no when it's backed with a hard punch. So I'll be the bitch until you can learn to honor my eyes, my energy, my body, my being.